Bullish anchor convention cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 21 cents and 40 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept ANC could reach 16 cents by 2025. Bearish anchor convention market cost expectation for 2023 is 3 cents. Anchor convention presentation. You've come to the perfect locations assuming that you're searching for anchor convention value expectations and need to know where the anchor convention cost will go from here on out. We'll look at anchor convention's authentic information, market patterns, and witness industry insiders' thought process will to its cost from here on out. If it's not too much trouble, remember that this anticipation and some other expectation ought to be taken with the comprehension that they are just the assessments of a few market investigators. Not to add that it is challenging to anticipate whatever exact. However, we will really bend over backward. We should start with the anchor convention value forecast. What is the anchor convention? One of the essential inspirations for the production of digital currencies, anchor convention endeavors to accomplish the depegging of the Terra USD stablecoin and resulting breakdown of the Luna digital money. Notwithstanding, made it be shaken, and it was a main consideration. Individuals that marked us got a 19.5% payout from the anchor convention. Yet toward the beginning of May 2022, a few enormous financial backers pulled out their possessions, causing the amount of us set in anchor to decline. Different financial backers were then provoked to pull out their USD because of this thump-on influence. This brought about a run that depegged USD and drove down the cost of Luna. Decentralized finance, frequently known as DeFi, is the essential standard behind a few blockchains and digital forms of money. It depends on the perception that there are a larger number of individuals with web access than financial balances. DeFi is intended to give clients admittance to common banks' administrations without expecting them to submit to a particular power. Credits are one help given by banks that can be favorable for the people DeFi is attempting to reach. The thought that credits might be made by means of decentralized finance, and especially Bitcoin, can possibly cause a ton of commotion, albeit Compound and other digital forms of money are specialists in this field. The issue of whether a digital currency could help buyers give credits rather than getting them actually must be replied. Presently, the anchor convention steps in. The Luna digital currency might be acquired in restricted amounts utilizing Anchor, which works on the Land blockchain. Borrowers can involve their own advanced resources as security. The Anchor convention token is granted to supporters of the Land pool. Individuals can contribute ANC to the acquiring pool to procure interest, which is paid out in ANC also. Anchor convention essential investigation. As financial backer confidence in the biological system hit an untouched low with the breakdown of the algorithmic stablecoin USD, Land was left in a shaky circumstance. The current chain will keep on being named Land Exemplary, while the new chain will be called Land. Partners in Luna Exemplary, proprietors of Luna Exemplary, and proprietors of USD will all get airdrops of new LUNA2 tokens. Anchor convention specialized examination. Regardless of whether it is hard to create 100% exact specialized examination for the ANC coin, TradingView's strong specialized investigation capability permits clients to see the consolidated Anchor convention trade rating for the given time span continuously. The NCI USD examination depends on the most generally utilized specialized pointers, moving midpoints, oscillators, and turns. Anchor convention current cost. Anchor convention is at present worth 4 cents USD. ANC has moved 1.93% as of now with an exchanging volume of $6,036,176. Anchor convention is at present position 644 among all digital currencies with a market capitalization of $16,628,339 USD. Using the general strength file, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal and moving normal intermingling uniqueness from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for Anchor convention to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation gauges utilize constant Anchor convention market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market movement. Anchor convention value forecast 2023. Anchor convention, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The ANC cost figure for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to 7 cents. Likewise with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 6 cents in cost is very aggressive, however it is attainable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. ANC is supposed to have a base worth of 5 cents. Anchor convention value expectation 2024. In 2024, Anchor convention ANC cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of ANC will before long outperform 11 cents. Be that as it may, we ought to hold back to check whether the ANC's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ANC will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 9 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 10 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2025. On the off chance that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 16 cents and ANC might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. ANC is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 15 cents and a low of 14 cents in 2025. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2026. Assuming Anchor Convention effectively supports market feeling among digital money aficionados, the ANC coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ANC will be green in 2026. The ANC is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 21 cents, with a base cost of 18 cents and a typical cost of 19 cents. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the ANC cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 24 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 23 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, ANC has a greatest value worth of 26 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 29 cents. On the off chance that ANC figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of 30 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help ANC needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 28 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2029. While ANC is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush collaboration, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 33 cents and a yearly cost close above 35 cents in 2029. Anchor Convention Value Expectation 2030. By 2030, Anchor Convention will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 37 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 40 cents. Averaging out at 38 cents. Anchor Convention Value Forecast 2031. The cryptographic money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to figure future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital currency should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the greatest ANC cost in 2031 is projected to be 46 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 44 cents. And, however, apparently an independent digital money. Numerous financial backers are by and by worried about Anchor Convention's association with the